Hey, Robert Kiefer here with Hydrohero, and I am in a crawl space in Bethany Beach, Delaware, and I'm doing an inspection for a possible encapsulation. So let me show you what's going on in here and why it's not working, what it's already done, and what we're going to do to fix it and control the moisture in this crawl space. So let's go. Okay, so one of the first things that I noticed is there's no insulation in the subfloor, and you have rigid foam board on the walls. So this is okay, but as you can see, there's not great coverage on the bottom part here. Now the vents are open, so this doesn't really work. In an encapsulated crawl space, you have the vents all air sealed, and then have a dehumidifier in here, or the HVAC trying to control the humidity, but really should have a dehumidifier. So you got open air coming right through, so you should have the floor insulated when you have open vents in the foundation. Now over here there is a exhaust fan. Now that exhaust fan pulls in hot or warm, moist air from the outside through the crawl space faster, and can lead to actual wood decay fungi a lot faster. So you don't want a power vent like that. You really need to have that sealed off in a dehumidifier. There was had to have been a known moisture issue for them to take those steps. There's actual 3D microbial growth on the floor joists all throughout here. I don't see any big water intrusion. It is raining today, but we're going to recommend a perimeter drain system and sump pump in here as part of the waterproofing before an encapsulation. And so what we would do is actually have to rip all this rigid foam board off the wall, reinstall proper rigid foam board. The rim band, or the rim joist, is properly insulated, but we would pull that out because it's all been contaminated with microbial growth, and redo that. Then wrap all the columns after we put in the drain system, wrap the columns, turn around, seal the walls and the floor all together, then put in a dehumidifier, April air, get that installed to control the humidity, make sure it stays below 60%. All that after a full remediation is done, of course. And then put in our wireless moisture gauges, and everything will be taken care of from there. So that is how we would actually handle this crawl space. Thanks so much for watching this. I hope that everybody learned a little bit about how to properly encapsulate this, and why you shouldn't do a hodgepodge job like this one. So thanks so much, and if you are watching this on Facebook, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you're watching this on YouTube, do that. If you're watching this on Facebook, please like our page and share our content. Thanks so much. Everybody have a great day.